want to go ahead and answer this question. It's in the marketplace, so I want to answer it for you. In order to improve your discipline to get started, you literally just have to start. It's a simple answer, hard to do. A lot of people have limited beliefs that they cannot do what they see others on the internet doing. How I started is I just took a video, posted it to the public, and forgot about it. Posted another one, and repetition over time, I became more and more comfortable being myself on camera. Mess ups and all. I leave them in there so you can see it, because I wanted to inspire you that you don't have to be perfect in order to do affiliate marketing with online video. So in order to improve your discipline, it literally is taking action on a consistent basis, whatever that is for you. For me on this channel, it is every Friday at 7 a.m. I commit to posting a video for you to be able to watch. I commit to it every single week. I usually post 1 week in ahead of time, or I make it, I should say, in 1 week ahead of time, so that it's ready and scheduled for the day of that week after. Hopefully that makes sense. You have to be committed and dedicated to what you're trying to do for your business. It is not for everybody, and I totally understand that. But in order to improve your discipline, it literally is taking action and doing it on a regular, consistent basis. Getting people results is going to help them to trust you. It doesn't matter how much money you make or how skillful you are in your particular niche or topic that you're trying to promote to your people. What matters is, can you get them results? Can they implement what it is you teach, and can they get results? So hopefully that was helpful and encouraging. You can go down in the bottom of this description, you can click that link right there. That's going to get you started learning affiliate marketing if you're absolutely a beginner and you need to know the steps that are proven to actually work in this industry. I break it all down, very simple. Less than 20 minutes you can have the whole thing memorized, or not memorized, but read or listened to, whatever the case is you choose. Anyways, I'm making this video in advance. As you see right here, Jones Random Knowledge, is the link right down there. Making this in advance because I am planning to be busy the rest of this month of November. At the time of this recording, it is 11/4/21. I'm planning to be busy due to my current church outreach ministry. I will be busy on Saturdays, and so most of my business is going to be on hold. So I'm trying to make the content ahead of time. Anyways, make sure you subscribe if you want to learn more and see what other questions I answer in the upcoming videos. Thanks.